Welcome to Santa's Learning Workshop. Today we're going to be learning about colors.
Welcome to Santa's Learning Workshop, where learning is magical every day with a ho 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 ho. Here we go, let the learning fun begin. Let the learning fun begin.
I love colors, don't you? When I think about colors, I think about a colorful rainbow. We're going to talk all about the different colors that are on the rainbow today. What's that? It's time to board the train. All aboard! Choo-choo! Here we go!
The holly jolly choo-choo-choo. We're on our way to learning something new. We are all aboard Santa's Learning Workshop Express.
Oh, hi, Petey. How are you?
I'm good, Santa. How are you?
Oh, Santa's doing great today.
I heard today you're talking about colors.
Yeah, colors. Petey, what's your favorite color?
Petey likes, Petey likes white.
White? White, just like your fur.
But Petey also like red.
Oh, just like Santa's suit.
Just like Santa. What color do you like, Santa?
Santa's favorite color is... green.
Green. I love green too. In fact, I love all the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
What's your favorite color? That's so great. Let's look for some different colors. Do you see anything red? There's something red. What's next? Let's look for something orange. 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 There's something orange. Next up is yellow. Let's look for something yellow. There's something yellow. Let's look for something green. Do you see anything green? Here it is. What's the next color on the rainbow? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Do you see anything blue? Anything blue? Blue, 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 blue! Good job. Let's look for something indigo. 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 Do you see anything indigo? There's something indigo. Good job. Let's look for something violet. 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 There's something violet. We found something all the colors of the rainbow. Good job. Will you count the stars in the sky with me? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There's 16 stars in the sky. Great job. You just counted to 16. That's so great.
Letter of the day, letter of the day. Hip hooray, hip hooray.
It's time for the letter of the day. The letter of the day is N. What are some good words that start with the letter N? Where I live, the North Pole. My little friends who have the mouths that go nutcrackers. I love a nutcracker, don't you? And another word that starts with the letter N. Nice! I bet you're on Santa's nice list. Now, can you think of some words that start with the letter N? Those are some great words. Good job. All right, friends, we're going to play a little game. We're going to try to find different colors and shapes on my Christmas tree. Can you help me? Here we go. Can you find the blue circle? Where's the blue circle? There it is. Do you see it? There's the blue circle. Can you help me find the pink square? There it is, the pink square. Next, let's find the yellow star. Where's the yellow star? There it is, the yellow star. It's on the top of the tree. All right, now we have to find the purple triangle. Do you see the purple triangle anywhere? There it is. The purple triangle. You found it. Thanks for your help. Let's do a pattern. Reindeer, snowman. Reindeer, snowman. Reindeer, snowman. What comes next? Reindeer! Good job!
Hey there, little ones, can you hear that sound? Someone special's coming to our Christmas town. He's got something fun for me and you today. A special color game that we can all play. Red like Santa's coat, so bright and airy. Green like Christmas trees with lights so cheery. Blue like winter skies above us all. Yellow like the stars that shine so tall. Dance with Santa, dance with me. Learning colors joyfully. Spin around and clap your hands. Join us in our color dance. I can see you moving, dancing all around. Purple like the ribbons falling to the ground. Orange like the fire so warm and bright. Pink like candy canes, a sweet treat tonight. Red like Santa's coat, so bright and merry. Green like Christmas trees with lights so cheery. Blue like winter skies above us all. Yellow like the stars that shine so tall. Dance with Santa, dance with me. Learning colors joyfully. Spin around and clap your hands. Join us in our color dance. White like fluffy snow that's falling down. Silver bells are ringing all through town. Black like Santa's boots upon his feet. Brown like gingerbread, so good to eat. Now you know your colors, every single one. Santa's so excited, wasn't that such fun? I can see you smiling, dancing here with me. Christmas colors make us feel so free. Red like Santa's coat, so bright and merry. Green like Christmas trees with lights so cheery. Blue like winter skies above us all. Yellow like the stars that shine so tall. Dance with Santa, dance with me. Learning colors joyfully. Spin around and clap your hands. We love our color dance. Colors everywhere, colors all around. The best color dancing Christmas town.
Hello! It's time to grab a cozy, warm blanket and get all snuggled in. It's time for story time with Santa. Do you see all that snow outside? Do you know what you can do when it's all snowy out? That's right, you can build a snowman. And tonight's story is The Snowman. It's a story about a very special snowman who wanted to understand the world and learned something magical about love. Children ran into the yard rolling big balls of snow. Roll, roll, roll. They stacked one on top of the other and gave the snowman a carrot nose, two coal eyes, and a broom to hold. And when the moon came out, the snowman blinked. He was alive. The snowman looked around and said in a deep, frosty voice, "Brr, it's so cold, and I love it." A little dog came running, barking happily. Woof, woof. "Tell me, little dog," said the snowman, "what is that cozy thing in the house with a window that glows?" The dog wagged his tail. "That's the stove. It's warm, it's bright, and people love to sit by it." The snowman's coal eyes sparkled. "Oh, I love the stove. I want to get closer." Every night the snowman stood in the yard, gazing at the stove through the window. He imagined sitting beside it, glowing and happy, But the dog shook his head. "Oh no, Snowman, that stove is hot. You're made of snow. If you get too close, you'll melt." But the snowman didn't understand. He only knew he liked the warm golden light. Days went by. The snow sparkled. Children played around him. But then the sun grew warmer. The icicles dripped. Drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop. The ground grew muddy. And the snowman began to shrink. The snowman felt himself getting smaller and smaller. He looked at the glowing window one last time and whispered, "Ah, I see now. Love can be warm too." One morning, the snowman was gone. But where he had stood, the children found something shining. An old iron stove poker, hidden deep inside him all along. Maybe that's why the snowman loved the stove so much, because he carried a piece of the fire's warmth in his heart. My little friends, the snowman teaches us something very special. Even if we are very different, even if we come from snow or fire, we can still feel love and kindness inside. Warm hearts, kind hearts, shine every day. Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas. May your hearts stay warm, just like the snowman's. Good night. We'll see you next time on Santa's Learning Workshop.
We'll see you next time at Santa's Learning Workshop, where learning is magical every day with a ho 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 ho. We got to go, you'll be back.